What's up? Welcome back to my channel. In case you don't know me, my name is Julien Azamosa. I'm a photographer based in Berlin. Today I want to show you how I turn the pictures of my Ricoh GR into analog point and shoot style of pictures like this film camera. For this I will show you my two essential accessories that you need to create this look. Then I will take you outside with me, take some pictures, show you the shots I create and how I create them. And after this I will take you into Lightroom and show you my 3 essential editing tips to get this look. So now let's get into the 2 accessories that I think you need to create this point and shoot analog look. And the first one is this flash. I use the Godox IM20, but yeah, you can use any flash. And if you have the Ricoh GR 1 or 2, you already have the pop-up flash, so you don't need an external flash. But the Ricoh GR 3 and the Ricoh GR 3X, they don't have a pop-up flash, so I bought this. It's strong, it's cheap, it was around 30 bucks. It's small, it's light, it's perfect. So I can flash in daylight and night. So you get this flashy party event kind of pictures. So a flash or a pop-up flash is essential. The second accessory you absolutely need is this Tiffen Glimmer Glass 1 diffusion filter. It's the best diffusion filter out here. So it's way better than the Tiffen Black Promos or any other diffusion filter because it's very subtle. It just blows the highlights a little bit. It don't mess up the contrast or anything. It's just this little bit that takes off the edge. So you have a bit of an advantage to the original digital files. So, and this filter in combination with this flash, you will get this nice, soft, dreamy, flashy look. I will show you some pictures with this filter and without, so you can see the effect. So I equipped my Ricoh GR with these 2 accessories, so now we can go outside and I will show you how I create some pictures, and then we will see us back here into the editing and I will show you how I edit. Enjoy! Now we're back into my apartment and I will show you how I create this point and shoot look with just a few simple and easy steps. The first part of the editing is in the basic tab and in the tone curve, and here I boosted the exposure a little bit so that the picture is nice and bright. I lowered the highlights and the whites so you get more of this filmic look, and in the highlight areas I left the shadows and the blacks normal. Then I reduced the clarity -5, but you can play around with this, and I boosted the texture +5. So yeah. After this I went to the tone curve and I made a slightly S-curve, but I lifted on the left side the shadow, so you get a little bit of the faded shadow look, and yeah, this is a filmic look. So now I will show you the changes I did. So we went from this to this. In the next step I went to the color grading, and here I gave the shadows a little bit of a green tint and the highlights more into the red or orange, so you get this nice analog film colors. Yeah, I'll show you before and after. And the last step is the grain, and in the grain you can see the grain. I put the amount around 59, the size small, so you have more of a fine grain, and the roughness I left it on 50. So yeah, this was just easy 3 simple steps, and with these steps I came from this picture to this picture. That's it with the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a subscription, leave a like, leave a comment, and see you in the next one.